What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can show your Wi-Fi password on your Android phone. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first is go to on your Wi-Fi settings. After tapping on your Wi-Fi, you can see I'm going to try network. After going to your Wi-Fi, you need to click on the settings option on the right corner. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every step to crack your password or to see your password of your Wi-Fi. So after doing that, you have to click on QR code. After clicking on this, you can see here is a QR code. You need to save this QR code on your gallery. Like here is an option save as image. If you don't have this option on your mobile phone, you can screenshot it like this. Okay. After screenshot it, you have to go to your browser, your Chrome browser. After going to Chrome browser, you have to click on the search bar and search QR code scanner. After searching QR code scanner, you can see as a website that qrscanner.net. You have to go to on this website, click on this. Then here you can see here is two option, upload QR code or scan QR code. So you just have saved our QR code in our gallery, so we need to upload it. You have to click on upload QR code like that. After clicking on upload, you have to click on browse. After clicking on browse, you can see the QR codes on the list. I'm going to click on this. After clicking on this, the website will crack the password from your QR code. Here you can see the password and the network name is here. So this is how you can see you show your Wi-Fi password from your mobile phone. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and comment if this worked for you. Please subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.